Today I'll be making one of my favorite entertaining dishes. It's baked brie with puff pastry. I'll be using fig butter, which is a really intensified fig jam, with my favorite Hilton head balsamic. It's the 25-year barrel-aged dark balsamic. Let's do it. Alright, so this baked brie is really easy, and the great thing is there are not a lot of ingredients. So I'll just quickly tell you how I have everything set up here. So I'll be using puff pastry. You can either get it in the freezer or the refrigerated section. If it's frozen, just thaw it per package instructions. I have a nice 8-ounce wheel of brie cheese. You can also use camembert cheese, which is has a little more flavor to it, but I like brie because it's nice and creamy and it's mild. And you can really taste the ingredients that I'm adding on top of it. This fig butter I mentioned earlier is fig jam, except it has more fig than normal fig jam does, so you get a really intense sweet fig flavor. And this is the star ingredient. This is the 25-year barrel-aged dark balsamic. This we'll put inside the puff pastry as well as drizzle on top when we finish. And last we have an egg. We'll just use that for the egg wash to get the puff pastry nice and golden brown. Alright, so let me show you how I put this together. So I'll open this puff pastry. So we can actually use this when we bake, but it's a little wet, so I'll use my own piece of parchment paper. So I'm only going to be using half of this sheet. If you have 2 wheels of brie, you can just cut it in half and use both sheets. So I'm just going to cut it in half. So I'll take the other half and just put it here for another use. We're going to just gently roll out the puff pastry so it's even. Alright, so I have my rolled out even puff pastry square here. So I'm going to take, no real measuring here, just call this maybe 2 tablespoons of the fig butter. You can really use any jam you like. Apricot jam is very popular. You can use strawberry jam, raspberry, any of your favorite flavors. But I'm just going to use my fig jam here, and then take some balsamic and just drizzle however much you like, probably about a tablespoon right in the middle there. So now we have the balsamic on the fig jam, so I'm going to flip it over quickly so it doesn't really splatter, right in the middle. And then I have an egg here that I'm going to just quickly whisk to make an egg wash. And this will help keep the puff pastry sealed. I'm also going to use the same egg wash to brush on top as it bakes. I will just brush the edges with this egg wash, and this will get it a good seal. Now I'm using the 25-year barrel-aged dark balsamic, but you can use the fig dark balsamic, the raspberry, or you can also use the black walnut dark balsamic. Okay, I think we're good here. Now I'm just going to take the corners and fold it in, and just kind of go around, fold it in on itself. We have a nice little package. I'm going to press it down, and then we'll take this and flip it over, put it on the parchment. So if you don't have anything to use this extra puff pastry for, you can cut out pretty leaf decorations and put them on top. So I'll just show you how I do one, and then I'll do a few more So you just cut a little leaf shape, like a sharp oval, and then pull it out. And just go down the middle like the stem. Just like that. So from here, we'll brush the puff pastry with the egg. This will give it a nice golden brown color all over. Then I'll take our nice little leaves and put them right on top. Do a little decoration of 3. And then we'll brush these with egg wash as well. So everyone gets a nice little egg bath. All right, just like that, we're ready for the oven. So this will bake at 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and golden brown and all puffed up. I think it's ready. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, see how it's nice and golden brown and puffed up? Now let that cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll put it on our serving tray. Then I'll get to dig in. Our Brie's cooled a little bit. We're going to put it on our little serving platter. So just take a spatula right underneath. It's cool enough to handle. And then I have a nice little board of crackers and then some pears. You could do apples, you could do grapes, any kind of cracker you'd like to go with your nice Brie. So when we cut into it, I find a serrated knife is best. So nicely cut through. Look at that. Nice and melty. I'll cut a little piece off and give it a taste. So what I'd like to do is finish it with a little drizzle. Alright, let's try to make the perfect bite here. A little balsamic, the cheese, the puff pastry, right on the cracker. Fresh and warm. Your friends and family will love this. Enjoy.